guys, it's Ryan from West Coast Kayaks and Paddleboards, and I was just coming to you today to give you a quick little tutorial on how to load a kayak on the top of your vehicle. It's a very easy process. Can sort of seem a little intimidating if you've never done it before. After I show you exactly how it's done, you'll be doing it in no time. We're going to take the kayak, get her right up over your head here, get it right in the center. You can usually use your center handles to keep it dead in the center of those crossbars. Now you're going to want to take your cinch strap. Highly recommend using the cam buckle for this. It's not a ratchet or a bungee. The ratchets put down way too much pressure. The bungee has too much play in there. This is a cam buckle, very safe, secured, and extremely easy to use. I'll show you exactly how we use this. Go ahead and throw your loose end over top. Put your buckle right on the side of the kayak there. So you're not throwing a piece of metal over top of the vehicle, hitting the car or the kayak. Do the same thing to the back. That loose end, just toss it over to the other side. Buckle right up on top. I'll go around to the other side and loop them right underneath the crossbar here. Take that loose end, come underneath your cross railing. You don't want to go underneath the front to back railing. Take that loose end once again and just toss it over the vehicle there. If it slides off to one side, you can just fix it when you get back over. Now we're going to take the loose end, come underneath the crossbar here. You can get all your twists and turns out, make sure they're not sitting over top of one another. Slide nice and easy for you. Take this loose end, push down on this little cam buckle, come up from the back side of it and pull it towards yourself. Now you want to get this cinch nice and high on top of the kayak. You don't want it ending off on the side or below that. Tighten that up. You can either tie the rest of the strap off or go ahead and put it on the inside of the vehicle so it's not slapping all around. And do the same thing to the front. Shake that kayak, car's moving first. You know it's good, safe, and secured for you. Within a matter of minutes, load that kayak up on there, no problem. Come on down to West Coast Kayaks. We're located in St. Petersburg, 3350 Tyrone Boulevard. Massive demo pool out back. Can't wait to see you guys out here trying it out.